Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
One wallet talk by mass. Everything alright. Every ghetto youth, one wallet talk, don't worry. All when the journey look blurry, everything so curry. One wallet talk, carnival, meal, sex and sorry. Yeah, now watch latency, you see the latency. Remember you tell me no vacancy, do it big, make vacancy. Without no agency, did I wait patiently, yeah. Fit the eye, now fi drink the Hennessy. Do it for my heart, me know many see. Woulda give an helping hand, but instead, them heart full of jealousy, yeah. Then my son happy work hard, leave his legacy. One only talk by mass, that one touch. Enough style man get a road, when me never talk about.
No ma'am. It's no ma'am. It's a cashier's check. Cashier. Yes ma'am. What I want you to do, ma'am, is to get the credit card. You're gonna get the credit card and change it from Bank of America, okay? No, ma'am. Listen, ma'am. No, ma'am. Listen. It's nothing like that. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. No, ma'am. You getting it? Hello. Yeah, yo. Channel B. Yo, come like she nah.
She nah do it thing right.
Me no tell her to forget the cashier's check, man.
Yeah, tell them from two. I have to tell them little and start chop them big.
So alright, watch her. Well, me shouldn't tell her 5,000 then.
No, you know start from this. You say give me on 3 bills, and when you boost her up, you know say.
So
Aya.
You call Miss Watson?
No, wait there.
Short time back, man. Make sure know say we know a party.
Tell us you're too slow. You make it thing now work, man. Wait there, man. Yes, good morning, Mrs. Watson. Yes, same person speaking. When I call the company, yes, they said you have to pay a next fee. What's that fee be? It's only $600. No, I understand, but listen, calm down. Oh, you see it here? You hear dog barking? No, it's my alarm. Don't pay that any mind. No, I didn't know that you'd have to pay a next fee.
Tell her so we delivered the thing this morning and we never see she did. Remember say the blue truck the next door, remember say me the Google it on the map. Tell her say the blue truck next door and stuff. We ask the people them next door and them say she they don't know if she there home, so make she confident and believe say we come there for true. Alright.
Yes. We came this morning and he wasn't there. Remember the blue truck is right beside your home and he wasn't there. Yes, I know that. So now in order for us to come back, you will have to pay additional fee. As I said before, only $600. No, honey. You don't have to go and cry now. Just listen. Hello?
B, what she say?
The lady said she hear cold.
Yo, cold.
Nah, go work out.
Tell us we have to go change the spot, man. But it's so season, man. You don't know.
At 15, me gone already. How much you gone?
B, I'm more than that. B, me not sure of the mother woman there, man. Me just feel like say a PR thing nah work. Cause I think that's slow. You know, see if and when we don't make piece of food.
That me I wonder.
A 2 month now and 2 week.
And me can't do the slow money if you go work 9 to 5 right now, you know, man. So what we are going to do?
B, what you know? Me have an idea. Remember I last get all these chops off it through, even though she nearly dead. Me feel say forget one next
dead?
One. Yeah.
She dead.
She dead?
Yes.
You know. So well on, you tell me say she dead. You ain't tell me.
Me never want you feel no way, yo.
You know. Yo, that bygone man, that I pass off the show. You know, say me know one cat is off the show or one place or one part. Every time I go there, go buy food off the show. Like a she I catch register. So she work I catch register. She ever pre me. So me I say we could have just work on the one that's off the show and get her in.
So we go back locally now.
Yeah, we have to just do that, be easy. Cause if right now, if I want 50 grand, that them well right now and I'm close.
Anything for me to, you know.
So I say me for just work on it.
Yeah, man. You know,
Right,
so me have your
so
back.
me I go do now, me I go just link. Right now me I link up an idea to be God now, cause me can't wait right now too long, cause you know man no like to feel dry so long. How long you man self with that nice son?
Man, so if it and 2 1 son.
Babe, no peeking, okay?
Why are you closing my eyes?
No peeking.
No
Stop,
peeking
stop,
is
stop,
what?
stop. No peeking, okay?
Okay.
Ta-da.
Oh, Skinny, you're so sweet. Oh, I love you so much.
Choo.
You mean you did all of this for me?
Yeah, for you. It's special.
You know, that's why I love you so much.
I love you too. We're gonna be together forever, you know.
We're gonna marry someday and have beautiful kids.
See, that's what we've been talking about.
And they're gonna look just like you.
Special. It's true. You know what? We're gonna have a boy first. Yeah.
Why?
Because we should have a soldier to protect our princess.
Okay.
Right?
I didn't expect this though. If I had known, I would have dressed better.
Come on, it's
I would
okay.
have done my hair. I would have worn.
You know, I like natural. And if you're all that makeup and all that stuff, you know, I'm not gonna be like so much into that. Because
That's
makeup
nice.
is not real.
And that's why I love you so much.
And I love it too.
Skinny. Oh, babe. Baby. Oh, you're so romantic, Skinny.
Babe, listen, it's never too much for you. I'll do anything in the world for you,
You
okay?
really put yourself through all of this?
I'll go through the deepest sea, climb the tallest mountain, soar to the sky. I'll go through fire for you. In any weather, me and you together forever. So for true. What a bombshell. I love you.
I love you so
I love
much.
you most days. Babe, I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm gonna get the champagne and stuff, so just feel welcome at home, man. You know, I mean, you can put your bag anywhere, it's our room. You know, it's our home.
Alright.
So, hope you know, have a wonderful night, I guess. I'm just trying.
I see.
I hope I do a good job.
And
you
I
know.
appreciate it. I hope you didn't spend too much.
Nah, man, come on, man. It's okay, babe. Listen, I'll be back. I'm gonna get the champagne, okay? So just make yourself at home, okay?
Hurry up and be back.
So sweet, pretty.
I love you.
My booby for life.
Skinny.
Hey,
Hello? Babe, how are you?
Funny road.
You don't know, say, me put on the floor and them stuff for cho, and the candle, and wine glass, and no wine no there for cho.
If you're not mad, me mad. Oh, you have to forget that.
Then no you tell me something for the candle and flowers and babe, so when me I go do now? When me I go do now? No wine no don't I place there, no bad no did it.
No.
No.
Me can't get one back to me, if me can't get the wine, but I know me mad so for you.
You can't get one back. Check cash. Where say it?
Now ask me where me there. Me there on the road. Me will do it really for you.
Yo, you see, if you ever ramp with me something, I say.
When you go on the road, you do you want. Me ask you where you have to buy you.
Oh, you mean no work? You see me at work. Me at work, so for true, man.
I want to know.
See if I can get one wine can come, man. Yo, nobody pass up place so for true, you know.
Me I get a buckle. Me have one beer and liquor rum and the counter in the house. She just throw it on it and mix up it. Anything. She don't know the difference. Remember say uptown girl.
Oh, you can get one buckle?
Yes.
Alright, see if you can get one can come so for true. Can you fool, you know, we can't trick him them way for true.
I know man, that's your fault.
Now hurry up and come off the road, man.
You can't. Sure.
No ramp with me something, you know.
You can't.
Bye.
Bye. I'm going to leave this.
Me not a bathroom, me not suppose to be the last time I use the bathroom.
Alright then.
So hurry up. Alright, true.
Bartender. You don't have the wine buckle?
What?
See buckle here.
So.
Just throw it here and sit on the syrup and done it. Do it, man.
It be, you did it, my brain can't calculate dollar the ingredients.
Too slow.
Baby, alright? Soon come, give me a minute, yeah?
My booby.
Hey.
My booby for life. My booby for life. How are you doing? Are you having a good time?
Yeah, I'm having a good time. So why did you open the champagne before?
Oh, sorry about that, baby. It's the hard folk, man. You know, when you come in here and it make a mess. Because guess what? The only mess is making it here is me and you. Choo-choo.
Okay.
This is the most expensive wine ever.
I see that.
You know ever?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I see you know about champagne, man.
Yes, I do.
Wow. Wow. Okay, baby. I want to make a speech. For the rest of my life, your life, our life,
You're making me blush.
future. Cheers to life, my booby for life, Sophie True. And we're gonna have Sophie True Jr. and Bombshell Jr. The True True. Cheers.
But this smells. Wow.
For
Skinny.
what? It tastes good, lovely, right?
It tastes like beer
What?
with water.
No. This wine is very expensive. You know what? It's fermented for a long time.
Let me check the bottle, please.
What? No, it's
And
it's
I know
okay.
it can't expire,
Guess
so.
what? Guess what? You know what happened? Just now when I was using the bathroom, right? I saw a what the thing called with the bug with the light in his butt, like in his tail. That bug, you know, that fly around with
The firefly.
Firefly. I saw one tonight. You know what? I'm gonna light up your world just like the firefly for Choo Choo.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, Skinny. I'm really not liking the taste.
Babe, come on.
I don't want you to feel bad, but.
Come on, babe. Okay, listen. Forget about that. Forget about that. You know what? We're gonna get rich with Choo Choo. And we're gonna buy the most fermented wine ever we can buy from 1660.
Okay. But Skinny, I wish you had told me earlier that you're gonna do this, so you don't have to prepare and so on.
It's okay. It's okay. You know what? I think next time or next moment I'm gonna get something special for you. Mm-hmm.
Skinny.
Choo Choo. Come here. Come here, Miguel. Come here, Miguel. Come here, Miguel.
Oh.
Come here. Come here, Miguel. I what a bombshell when you pass through. She a tell me say she love me and she love me for real, for Choo Choo. Yeah. More what? Me have to tell you something nice, girl.
That's it, cookie.
Yeah, we'll say so dumpling and chicken for Choo Choo. Actually, I tell me say you love the dumpling and stuff for Choo Choo. You know, somebody just make some special or some party. Like you have a wonderful sleep. You're so late awake.
You know, I was thinking that I need some more.
More? Come here, my girl. So, watch out when we don't cook, man, you know. Yeah, when we don't cook.
Hurry up, okay.
Well, I'm not food proper, you know. You have to do the food proper. I'm going to tell you this story. You see, when you're moving, I want the chicken bun. You see, when you're moving, you now go cook. And me I do all the cooking stuff for Choo Choo.
Really?
Yeah, for Choo Choo.
That sounds like something I like.
Yeah.
I love to stay in bed all day, you know.
Yeah, but you want to know, you live too far, you know.
It's just down the road. Oh, you're not that far.
Don't shoot it. You have to take 2 buses to reach here at the road.
Alright.
Yeah, real Jamaican for
Make it
Choo
look
Choo.
so bad.
Right round the corner. Right round the corner when I way around so. I want part for Choo Choo. Do you watch it? You can't bother with the long traveling and the you forward for 1 3 days, then you know see it for 1 week and them thing they suffer through. That not pleasing,
But
man.
you can come over also.
You mad? With your type of mother for true? No man, your mother not gonna like that for you, man. So here we are go do, man. You have to reason with your mother for true now, make sure you know so what you know. You have to move in with me.
You sure?
Oh, you mean?
You sure everything will go alright?
Hey, listen me, man, listen me. You see on a scale of 1 to 100, be sure as 1 to 200. Say me want this and this, me want, me been away for this, you know.
You love me for true?
Oh, you mean? Me been away for this. This is my life.
So we can marry then?
We are get married, we are do everything. Everything that a man and a woman supposed to be. And in order for a man and a woman to be Say about that, man. So, see that time I tell you something I want, come and sit there. This time I tell you something I want in the kitchen, man. We do all the cooking, we do all the cooking. Baby, what me say?
You will do all the cooking because
all the cooking. When
you never know say it would have flash up and burn me.
That me I tell you, I feel it, I sweat inside me. I have feelings here, so anything happen to you, it happen to me.
Feeling strong.
Well strong. Come here, me girl. Me love you, see? Sure. You are my booby for life, here. You make my life come alive.
True.
For true.
True, God knows.
For true.
Oh,
I love
God, you feel so nice.
I love it so much.
I love it.
I never feel.
Just turn around the pot and come out.
Yeah. No, you see, you're not easy, you know.
Yeah, man, turn it off and come.
You're not easy, you know. You just love all the things, so.
Then skinny, now you're the best skinny.
For true.
Yeah.
For true.
Best from the way.
Me, watch out, my skill, creative, natural.
Put it down, I mean you burst the spring. Come on, man.
You think I spring more burst?
Finish up the toenail.
You're not easy, babe. I love you, see. I take care of your money. I'm a booby for life, you know. Yeah. I'm booby for life, you know.
And you know, this is a very romantic thing to do.
Then it's a man's responsibility to be romantic to his lover. You know?
That's why I love you saying no skinny.
Me, I love you forever, till the end of time. I'll always be a heartbeat. If I stop beat, you stop beat too. For true.
No, me must stop beat.
Because we are birds of a feather that.
So we're going to flock together.
True.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Hurry up and finish my tour.
So you think about it yet, you know? Tell your mother, you know?
Yeah, my son tell her.
Then when you go tell her, babe?
Tomorrow, when we go down.
Tomorrow? You think you should have called her still, you know, what you think?
We call her from up here?
Yeah.
No, I'll go down and talk to her.
Alright.
My mother don't love deal with certain things over the phone, you know. I want to catch her face reaction, you know.
That I think if it shit over her phone, she could have said, no. And, you know, and them thing there. So, tomorrow, when I carry down, me chat, you see me? And
me and you and her go talk?
yeah. You can do it by your man. Be me have to do them, man. Because I know mother stay sometimes them talkative, you know. And try to talk out the situation.
Mommy, I go want to talk about marriage and them something there.
Then when I get married, be at this time. You know?
Yeah.
You know, so I say talk about time, so for true. Gas, they finish, you know.
What you
Just they
gas?
finish. Cooking gas, they finish.
So why you never buy more?
Yeah? May I deal with it, man?
Or you want me to help you to buy it?
No, man, nobody. I'm TLB, man.
I'll help you to buy
Yeah,
it.
make it think like a money thing, so me, that moves.
It's not money thing because Skinny me realize you really love
What
me.
you mean, man? Me no want you to worry about nothing, man. Me would deal with every bills and them thing, man. Me no want you to worry about money, man. Keep
man,
the
I'll
money.
help you.
And you know, me it's not that, no man. I keep the money, man. Just no worry about them thing, man. You have my baby in the man. I just want you to come.
Mine is smudge me too. Remember, say you just put on this something money.
It's easy, though.
Just, oh yeah, you finish.
I got married. I'm just excited about this moment, you know.
You gonna meet mommy?
Yeah, for true, man. And you know, I bet she just like you.
Yeah, she does. Or
Yes.
maybe daddy is home also, I don't know.
There's a gentleman sitting in the veranda.
Oh yes, daddy.
Your father?
Yeah.
For true.
Please be on your best behavior. He's
No, babe, come on.
Yeah.
It's all good, man. I have it in control. You don't have to worry about it.
Good evening, Daddy.
Good evening, sir. How are you doing? I'm skinny. Suffer true. True. Bless up.
Yes. Good evening, Cherry. Who is this young man?
He's my boyfriend, Daddy.
Boyfriend? Okay, boyfriend.
Yes. So,
Yes, sir.
where is Mommy?
She gone to her sister, you know. She not come back until probably tomorrow or so.
Oh,
So
I kind of wanted
our
to
mother
talk.
is not here?
Yeah, her mother there. Wow.
Because actually we came to see her mommy, but you know, I mean, I still can talk to our father because father have the most important role in a family, right? And a father role is sentimental, for true, right?
I wanted to tell Mom about me moving in with Skinny. So I'll be moving out from here.
Yes,
And
we'll be moving in together, sir. I'm gonna be taking care of your lovely daughter here, my beautiful future wife, so for true. Yeah, we have it all planned out. So
Alright, give me a minute. Wait on that tree there. Let me talk to Cherry. 1 minute. Let me talk to my daughter. Yes, I want to talk to my daughter.
Come on, man, you don't have to worry about that. Me and her have
Cherry.
everything planned out, and anything you want to
no,
say
man,
in front of
Skinny baby, do what Daddy says, alright? Please, just...
You sure this
Yeah,
is
man, just
good?
a minute. Won't take long.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I'm sure. It's okay.
No problem. I'll just be standing right there.
Cherry.
Come on.
Cherry.
Daddy?
What do you mean you're going to move in with him? You don't see the commandos look boomy. Where you get him from? Cherry.
Yes, Daddy?
What kind of man is such a come?
I'm sorry about that, Daddy. Maybe he's just anxious, so, you know. We met a few months...
I don't want to hear. Go on down there, tell him, say, give me a one story, tell him, and just get him out of my yard. I have no interest in talking to him. Into booming, into enough. My spirit not take him. Go on.
But Daddy... Skinny, I think it's best we go home.
Go? What you mean? We not finished talking to your father.
Daddy is having a rough day right now. My cousins are inside having a family meeting.
No,
and
listen.
It's best for Mommy to speak to him when she gets back. He's weak to Mommy, so Mommy is the only one that can persuade him at this moment.
Your father?
Yeah.
You don't understand what just played out just now. You know where happened be? You have to go stay if you convince him because him tight. Him going like him can't take no chat. You understand? And the only way this can work, you have to stay and show him say you love him and you need to move on with your life because a man and a woman together make one. And in order for that to happen, we have to move together. There's no way you go over there and me over here.
But Skinny, you're making this more complicated than it needs to be.
So you want to, hold on, what you want to try show me now? You want to tell me say you don't love me?
You're putting me in a tight spot, Skinny. I
show
didn't
you
say
all the
that.
compassion and care in the world that I love you and you know that's so true. So you know what you need? We need to go back, me and you, and go talk to your father. And if you not agree for us, we move together, you have to go stay convincing them. That's a sacrifice me and you have to make because it's only for the better for us. What about our kids, babe? You have to think about our future, babe.
Look, Skinny babes, we haven't reached that bridge yet. When we get there, then we'll cross it. That's why Daddy said to boom.
What?
Nothing. I'm sorry.
Babe,
He didn't say that. But
time waits no man. Listen, babe, time waits no man. We have to do it like now, and now is the time for me and you make it right. So for true.
All right, Skinny. You know what? I'll stay with Daddy, as in I'll sleep here and wait until Mommy comes back. And you go home and refresh your brain and all of that, and we'll talk about that as a family, all right?
Babe, you sure you can handle this?
Mom will handle it.
And you're positive?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Come here, my girl. Come here. I love you, see? My movie for life.
All right, baby.
All right. You look sexy. Nice.
Yeah. Daddy, I'm sorry about everything. Skinny and I have decided that I'm gonna stay here with you and wait on Mom to come back so we can discuss this as a family.
There's nothing to really discuss, you know. But don't tell her how I feel already. I don't have no problem with you having a boyfriend, you know, or having a man. It's just that this specific young man, him just seems too boomy to me. You understand? Him too boomy, too enough. He not give no chance, him just all up. Me just can feel him energy. Something alright. My spirit not take him. And me always have good intuition about some people. And him are one of them. I wouldn't like to pick me no quiet young man. I can't bother with them, you know. I can't wait till your mother come to take care of them.
It's what happens with grandkids and so on, Dad.
Babe,
but
I couldn't just leave and not, you know, pay my respect to your daddy. Why, you know? Because it wouldn't be polite, you know. So, sir, I didn't want to just leave and not say, you know, adios. So, catch a beer, I like. Let's catch a beer, man. Cool, I mean, you know, it's just small token. It's nothing big, but, you know, I just want to leave you with something. So, sir, we'll meet again, all right?
Cherry.
Okay. Babe,
yeah, man, just go on. I'll call you later, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice evening. Yeah, man, I'll call you later. No, man, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I could leave the card with you, you know, so.
Skinny, no, Skinny, just please.
Cherry.
Daddy.
What can I disrespect this?
It's not a disrespect, Daddy. It's just
Police.
to buy a beer. He's just trying to be nice.
You see, me not wrong about him, you know. Go on in.
Hi, Litorina.
She easy, man. She easy, baby, I tell her.
Say she easy to take so long to come through.
And that me amazed to, but we don't want to rush him, man. Remember,
Mine feelings like it, you know.
easy yourself, man. You ever come with some for style about feelings. You know I want somebody made up fit you. Yes, yeah. But differently still in up. But don't say she convince her father so we joke, because she love your poop.
Yeah,
Me not love her.
you just make sure she don't love her.
I don't have feelings here. I'm tell you how much I don't go through. Pretty like rose, run like pumpkin. Remember I want to talk boy you want to breathe for me.
You're serious, so you're not breathing. You're not breathing.
She has a big skinny Juna. Skinny Juna.
Be foolishness. Call the girl now.
Yes, call her.
Give it thing a push, man. Can you really rate it and say girl have a soft spot for you?
I feel true in a big, but we don't want pressure it, man.
I no pressure, call it me.
Call her.
Yes, call her. Yes.
Alright, but you know, be faithful. Now tell us the all are going, the pa going like in tough in about watch her. Let me see. I know what I look for.
Me know I know what I'm heading now.
You like?
Then me must know if any other woman call me, we know.
See number, yeah.
Yes, that's it,
You
man.
know easy, no?
You're lucky.
Afraid of you. Afraid of you.
Hello.
Hello, my booby for life.
Hi. Hi, skinny baby. How are you?
Hello, I miss you so much, babe.
I miss you too. So what's up?
I'm here thinking about you. I'm so lonely and in need of your sweet, nice body.
Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
miss you too.
What are you doing? Are you playing with yourself?
No, I'm not playing with myself. I was talking to Daddy a while ago, and
Oh,
you know, we kind of got upset and had an argument, so I stepped out.
Babe, you see what I'm telling you, babe? You see, you need to pack your stuff and leave like today, right now. You're not a baby, you're not a child, you're an adult. You make your own decision. You take your own path, okay?
Yeah, that's what caused the argument today. Because I was saying to him,
Well,
Daddy, I really need your support and everything on this, and I need to go. And you know, he got upset and I got upset, etc. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pack my stuff and you can pick me up by the gate.
By the gate?
Yeah, can you do that today?
go on your gate. Tell him you're good on your road. His father, big businessman, he don't post anything on his father.
Baby, I'm here. The reception is so bad here. Sorry about that. Okay, baby, so I'm thinking that, you see, because our time set now, and you know how your father stay, or him have this hatred against me for nothing at all. A good guy like me, you know, loving his daughter, and, you know, so much affection I give towards you, you know, and the way I romance you.
You're talking to me and you're speechless. Oh my God.
Yes, baby, I barely can speak. You leave me breathless. You leave me breathless.
Stop, you're making me blush.
Wow, feature joke.
That makes me want to be with you even more. You know what? I'm gonna pat myself
Please,
right
baby.
now, and I'll call you, or would you call me? Because I'll just meet you down by the road.
Okay, baby. I just call me when you finish. A matter of fact, I'm leaving out now, so by the time you done pack and freshen up or whatever and stuff, you just call me. You know, I'll tell you where I reach on the road, so you know you can be aware of where I'm at. Okay.
Okay, baby, I love you.
Okay, I love you beyond the sky, beyond the moon, beyond the cloud, beyond where the aliens live. I love you so much. My booby for life.
Oh, skinny.
Love you.
You never love me behind the alien door, but you love the girl behind the alien. When you do skinny,
Be relaxed, no?
yeah, go on like on a business where you
Me love you beyond God. What happened to you?
behind God, you think you can't love me in front of God.
Beyond God. Beyond means
And behind you
God
say.
can't stand up so. I'm a pass him so. He not have to be behind. I'm not go behind a man.
Man, I fool you, I take me fine.
Yeah, Musa. Yeah, that Musa man. Yeah.
But you love me
Like
behind
you're
God.
jealous. Like you're jealous now, be.
Love me in front of God.
I'm excited. I'm more money that on the table. I'm more money on the
But
table.
come in with the money, yes, but I love you behind God. You love me behind God, but you love God.
Come, you need to start pack up for left. I drop me a bit. Yeah, come here. But
Let me
warm up the bed before she comes.
Yeah, come cool first, you know.
Wiggle. Hey, baby, I tell you, your father, I don't know why I'm saying insecure. All of a sudden, him can read up people. Read a man.
That's just how he is. He's just overprotective of me because I'm the only girl.
That me notice.
Yeah.
But babe, listen, you know, you see about life, we have to take the right path, and when you find the right man, you have to take the right decision to be with the right man, right?
Which is why I decided to move in with you, you realize?
Self it true.
Yeah.
My booby for life. You know you bring my life alive, right? And you know what? I always want this opportunity, you know, to have someone special in my life. Babe, you don't have to worry about anything.
Really?
Everything's gonna be alright. You know?
I know I can depend on you.
You know what I want? Wait, just guess. Nothing but you.
Skinny, you always do those things.
My booby for life. And you know what? Like birds of a feather, we'll always be together. We'll stick to you in any weather.
Skinny, you always say something to make my days.
Violets are blue. Me no remember the part. The other part. But my love for you is true. Sophie true.
Skinny.
Hello? Yo, Billy, where you going with it? Hey, you know, easy, you know, Billy. You see her?
I'm gonna give you some privacy to finish talking, alright? I'm going to the bedroom.
Yeah, baby, fix up for me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Billy. Yeah, Billy, you see her? I saw you go on, you know, Billy. Hello, babe.
We are calling for.
You need me to call for. You not call me to give me information. Open the money I go come in and so.
Just relax, man. Relax, no man. She just sweet.
Now tell me to relax.
Just no be. You know when me dey on the work, and you know say you know fi call that night time when me dey on the work.
That man nothing to do with me, so you know about the money, you're not pushing no argument, talking into the money.
Then me now go deal with it. She just sweet. You want to put it on her brother tonight.
Yeah, sure.
You have to put it on her brother so we true.
Yeah, put something back woman, Papa, look for me. Nature call me really.
Just easy yourself, man. Can't just work, but you don't want to get God in your night time, but the work.
Be what? Little one day.
You want to call after work?
No, be what me just can't express my feelings.
This moment, we first remember the goal of our business is always money first. That's that, man. Just relax, man. Just go and play with yourself. Don't let no one got it all.
And that me I do, but I work with the money.
Alright, boy. Love you forever.
Yeah, babe, I saw you go on when rain fall, you know. Sure. Alright, babe. Later, babe. Later.
Hello. You can just give me a few minutes, please.
Why?
I'm not going to stay long.
Why?
Me just live across where there's a man.
Alright, may I come? Me shut up the car.
I'm your neighbor, you know.
Really?
Yes.
So I never see you before.
Show me always the round at the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's that happen?
Anyway.
How can I help you now?
Don't take this too personal. Me see you from the other day in another area here. I don't know how long you live here because I always around at the back of my own business. But I notice something. Yes.
What?
You see that man there where you talk to?
Which man?
Where your man named Skinny?
Yeah, how you know about that?
I know Skinny long time. Long time I know him. I know Skinny before you born.
Okay.
But me they put you up on the right side. On the right track, you know what I mean? Be careful of the type of man them you talk to. I'm a good boy.
Well, I don't talk to the men in the community. I drive, come here, and I go inside and everything. So I don't
Lady.
interact with persons.
Lady.
Yes.
Is Skinny your man?
Yeah.
Okay, well it's Skinny me talking about. Me not talk about every man in the whole community. You understand now? Skinny. Me know Skinny for a long time. The same Skinny way they talk at, the same Skinny they talk. Skinny love whole heap of woman. And you is a very nice young girl, looking so good we can get any man who want to be their wife. What the hell you they do with Skinny? Who introduced you to Skinny? Tell me.
Hold on, but
Me,
wait.
I wonder if my friend named 1010 introduce you to Skinny because you see that girl, she's a scammer. She is my friend.
No, but hold on.
But-
Hold on a bit. I know that he had other girls before me, but I'm the only one he's talking to now. So you don't need to tell me that. I don't need to worry about
Lord
Skinny.
Jesus. Lady, what's your name?
My name is Cherry.
Cherry. You better you put on pineapple punny. Because me can't believe say your name is Cherry. Such a nice fruit and you're so stupid. You is a fool, sorry. I mean, don't take it personal. I mean say you're a fool, but it come like I say you're an idiot with you. Cherry, me say me know Skinny. Skinny love enough woman. Skinny no keep one woman. You know see a fierce boy. You know see the boy good looking. You know see anybody hot.
Yeah, that's why he's my man.
Lord have mercy, God. Cherry, your mother not send you to school. You don't look like you did a learn.
What authority do you have to tell me who to talk to and who not to talk to. I chose to talk
Hello. Don't go there. That's why from the beginning of this argument, I tell you, don't take it personal. Me just put up on your right guard for you know say, that man that you're talking to named Skinny, he have a lot of women in this community and other community and the other community them. So, every community, a matter of fact, if you don't mind shopping, you can look me to, but show me skeptic pan my man them. Yes, because me don't want Skinny. Skinny is my friend and he's like a brother to me, but he is a hypocrite because I use people girl pitney.
Well, he's not using me, and I'm sure of that.
He's not using you?
Nope.
You see that car where they drive and they go on with and they can't use it and I tell like me know a Skinny car. Me seen him enough time before you exist in a film life with one if a girl cock up so in a hit. And no, you they can't go on like, oh, is the white perfect one? Oh, sorry, me love.
Ever drove it. I'm the only one who drives.
You know me too damn blasted fast. Me can't go me yard.
Yeah.
Because it come like me the fast in a few business too much when I the right guard me they put up on the right side. You see, uno people no fi sorry for uno. I want skin cat you. Cause you're going like you know no sense. Girl, you should have thank God me come tell you about skinny because you know say man and don't know how man stay and run go push yourself in a man. You idiot.
Do you have a man?
You hear me just tell you say my man is very up to date. My man no keep up to foolishness.
You don't sound as if you have a man. I need to go.
And not just my man, is my husband.
And I'll talk to Skinny about it.
And you better not call my name too Skinny.
What's your name?
If you mix, what's my name?
Yeah.
My name is Candy. Nice meeting you, Cherry.
Nice meeting you, Miss Motamasi.
Motamasi, I'm Eliza. Go and go call everybody in the whole community and tell me so I can call Skinny name to you. You see you? That's why nobody knows if it's sorry for you now.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You see what? You know what go happen to you next? You see you know how you go on? Mm-hmm. Maybe the next time you can get Skinny in a house with girl.
It won't be
and you
you.
go remember.
It won't be you
It
though.
couldn't be me. Skinny is my brother. Not blood brother, but like a friend, so me say I'm my brother. So go on, sorry
and you're
if you stop
criticizing him like
anyway,
that.
Me not
You're
criticize
wicked.
him, me they tell her the truth if you have sense. Because look on a nice young girl like you. I take up man when I want you, see a car. That you no do. When you no see man with Chris car. How much $1 million car? You no used to steering. You no come cock up foot in there. I bet say if he never have no car, you wouldn't chat to Skinny. Skinny is my friend and I know him. You are stupid, nice and fool. You hear that, you know? Miss, where you say your name? Cherry? Hope me not get it wrong. You see Skinny, a idiot in take you for. You a puppet. Me tired fi take me 2 years then we God bless me with and see Skinny with the woman over there. He live with the woman, but through woman travel. When the woman gone in care, 1 million woman come but me do like me not see all when me see. Now me come a pinch and they tell you they come go on like I say a idiot or a lie me they tell. I do not want Skinny.
Let me prove it for myself. It's okay. Have a nice day. I'll prove it for myself. Okay?
Me gonna me just you know, nice, pretty, stupid and fool. Alright. Me no want you for my friend. Too damn blasted fool.
Bye.
Stuff like that. So we need to start put together and make things, you know, flow the right way.
And we could also have a joint bank account.
Right, babe, right.
So, how much money do you have right now to start off? Because we could even build a house or start a business together, you know.
That's a fact. I like the direction this conversation is going, babe. I love it. Yes, you see, with my $10.5 million and whatever you have, which I don't know.
I have 150,000.
You have 150?
Yes.
Nice. That's okay. It's okay, baby. You know, I still love you. Even if you have a penny or a nickel or a dime, I still love you for true. So what we're gonna do is just figure out how we're gonna make it work. And you know what though? You see at my bank NCB, they have this program that what bank you at?
Yeah, I have an account with Scotia. I don't have an account with NCB. But I have a cousin who is a realtor at NCB. So what I'll do, I'll call her and find out the proper information so she can do the processing as fast as possible, etc. So you won't have to go through all the hassle of doing going into the bank and so on. So never mind, I'll do it.
Babe, that's okay. You know, NCB have this program that when you deposit any money, you can actually it's like a fixed deposit. And then you get a loan. Like it's not really a loan, but it's like property. It's a property set. I forgot the program, but what I'll do tomorrow, I'll go by the bank. So you know what? tomorrow I have some. Well, let me see. Tomorrow is what day? Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, Monday, Friday I'll go by the bank. So tomorrow you can give me the 100,000 and then I'll go by the bank Friday to deposit, and then Monday when you go back to the bank so we can start the program to start build our house. NCB have this phenomenal program that can let us start our home. Trust me. And you know the good thing about it is that they're gonna give back money. Like we're gonna get back the money, the same money that we deposit. So we deposit $1.6 million. We're gonna get back that for sure.
Oh,
How
well,
sweet is that?
It sounds interesting.
But it's nothing for you
but,
to think about. It's
yeah, I don't have an
nothing
account
about,
with
just
NCB. I don't. But my cousin is a realtor at NCB.
Really?
Yes. So to cut everything short and you wouldn't have to go into the bank and stand in the long line, etc. I just get in contact with her.
No man, we have a link man, we have a good link man.
No, but my cousin, she's the best. Because she can get WhatsApp in an inexpensive house, etc. You know? So yeah, I'll talk to her and find out how everything goes, alright?
But you're sure?
Yeah man, I'm very sure.
But no man, I tell you, me have a link man.
Alright, so.
No, be no bother with that man. Me my link strong man. Strong link.
Skinny, I really can't take the scent anymore. I'm gonna step out and do my thing.
Why? I tell you.
Hello?
Me no.
Yes, cause so
to them should tell us.
it's my spouse that was telling me about it. So that's why I really called you to confirm.
Babe. Are we talking?
Hold on for me, please, Sam. Pardon me?
Are we confirming?
I'm talking to my cousin who works at the bank. Remember I told you I was gonna ask her about it?
What bank?
NCB, the one that you were talking, the conversation we were having in the bathroom earlier. About the house, yes.
So what she has said?
She's saying nothing like that. Hold on, let me put it on speaker so you can have it.
She wouldn't know about it at other department today.
Hold on, Sam. I'm gonna put the phone on speakerphone, alright? Sam?
Yes, cuz.
Yes, you're on speaker.
Yes, cuz. I don't see the logic behind that. Why would the bank pay person to pay for a program to get out and all those rubbish?
No, it's not rubbish. No, it's a different program. Possibly you might not know about it. It's a new program.
What now?
It's a new program. So possibly you might not know about it.
That's the department she works.
Yeah.
Alright, Sam, you know what? Baby, I'm going to call you later, alright, cousin?
Okay, no problem.
Alright, have a nice day. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome.
But you know what? At the department that she work?
Yes, she's a realtor.
You know, say that boy, Jonah. You know what we used to call him? Ratty. You know why we call him Ratty? B, you see that boy is a scap. You know what you do? The same time in come from school and we as a look at you to eat and anything and stuff, which we used to come and say, only looking at the roofs of the church. So in time we look up because the whole of the chicken leg gone. You know, say the boy that scam at me and crook. Me shouldn't listen to him in I bank him work. And him a 10 boy program.
You know he's a scammer and you really trust him?
No, I don't really say me trust him, but you know, your family and him a tell about the program and it sounds so convincing. Why, look how much me lose $10.6 million just like that, B. So no, I can't believe.
So if I didn't call my cousin, all of my money would have gone to waste also. You need to sort this out.
I can't believe say Emmanuel scam me like that, so for sure. Can't believe. Right here, boy is a damn thief, you know. Can't believe. And I'm a cousin. Oh, my cousin for do me that. What?
You know what, babes? The milk don't spill already, so we can't do nothing about it.
That's
what
true.
we can do though, just try and not trust him anymore, because if he's done it once, he's gonna do it twice, and he's gonna do it over and over and over and over again. So no, this is just a lesson for you to learn to say that, you know what? Check things out for yourself. You can't involve family and friends into business, it will mash up, it will crash.
Can't believe it. You understand me, but me just find it.
Skinny baby, never mind.
10.6 million, babe.
Well, it's a very good thing you didn't.
I'm glad to see your car, cousin, babe.
Yeah, it's a very good thing you didn't give him the money as yet. So, you know what? You know what I'm thinking?
What? The same thing I'm thinking?
There's something I just remembered.
What's that now, babe?
This morning when I was going to the shop, right?
Yeah.
While passing, a lady out by the yellow house. Yes, a Rastafarian lady who lives by the yellow house. She seems, her persona, she gives a persona of, she's in the center of everybody's business. I can't remember her name. Earlier today while I was driving out to get the stuffs for the house.
Yes.
A Rastafarian lady at the yellow house. She stopped me. I can't remember her name. Sugar stick or cotton pie. She has a personality of she's always in everybody's business. She knows too much.
She ain't a bobo. She ain't a rasta. She ain't a dread. She a wannabe.
What's her name again?
Candy.
Yes. Candy.
Make sure you not talk up to her and be. You see that the woman is of it, all she do, I watch people business. You know what she do too? You know, she want me sugar stick.
Yes, because she was telling me.
I get it.
She was telling me that you have different women coming over here and you live with your woman.
And my last relationship, she messed it up. I tell her. Okay. And I was about to get married.
Is the devil send her?
Straight from hell.
But she will never ever get the chance to break us up. Never. We're inseparable. You know what? Come, let's go into the bathroom and you know,
freshen up.
Get closer together.
And you know what? I like it in the shower before the bed.
Exactly. Stop that. You're starting up already. Oh my God. I'm afraid. Ooh, skinny. Ooh, skinny. Oh my God.
She fool, man. She's soft and fool. She can't figure it out. Probably we need to con her and take her father and motherland. Yeah. Because she don't have enough money in her bank. Them they look a bit of money. Them look about the money with them. Look a bit of money there go babes. You think the girl have more money? You know no more money. Yes. Come like, he does a work me out for nothing. Free aisle. You might get free aisle. I'll be joke this way, may I tell her. Boy, may I tell her. I don't know what. Probably if we just call it that day, man, and tell him sitting and make him back and run him out there sitting. Yeah. No. Well, I go take a shower. I go bathe, babe. I go bathe and sitting. Hold on. Talking that. You need for good on the girl Candy. You know say girl I tell me say Candy see her and I tell her about I use her and be a fat and sad and cow fat. Be a fat she I tell her baby. I tell her you need for go down there to the girl Candy and tell her say she fit take her here for over and fit chow. You understand? I spoil she want to spoil her business. Good on the to her now, right now, babe. Go to her now. I go all that babe. Cause me cherry I go up on the road so for true. So good on to Candy now and race her up. No wait till later. No. Alright baby, love you. My booby for life. True. Love you forever. Love you later.
Who is that? Come, madam, 10, come. Come here, 1 second, please, sweetheart.
Lord Jesus, how she want now? She mix up.
She a play with my money.
What is it?
Oh, you mean to say me a virgin, Candy? When you go to Cherry with me name for Candy, you can see people business and just love we alone. You go like you want to ramp with me food, me no play when it come to me food. You over here saying you do your thing, I'm in a business where you want, I'm not care how you want to make your money. So leave me alone, make me make my money or me want to make my money. I just that me come to tell her it's going to be a problem with me and you know, Candy. When you're idle and you put me now watch you know. When you're idle and eat your put me now watch you for your Rasta lady, you know. You hear me I tell everybody say she go on like say she a Rasta and she a damn pork, you know. You know, you hear me I talk them sitting there.
Oi. Hold on upon your words them. Hello, put on clothes upon your talking. Yes, when you come on the pork thing, don't talk to me. You come to me about something else, you're gone upon food. What is the problem? Let me tell you something. You see this scamming thing one they go on with? You no need to stop it.
Oh, that concern you? Me ask you how it concern you. How it concern you?
It concern me.
Are your family?
My family they overseas too. And other day you call them and tell them how they win, what kind of vehicle for how much, 0.5, how much money. Me not even can call it no Jamaican money. And now, me see your friend and talk to her about it. And because you here, you want come to me like you want bad me up. Hello.
The girl your family or your friend?
I don't care.
You just
some family have to disown them. Better than be your friend or your enemy. Because you no mix up and no problem. And when you know no difficulties and me see you no run through. And true because me they tell you no the right. You know they run come harbor shot me up. How?
A matter of fact, we did a friend, but I said a friend today. Me and you is no friend, because you come go like you want to run in for my food. Me did tell the family them to fool. Me did tell the family them to fool when people call them and say they win this and that, they send money. Me did tell them to fool when they call them and tell them that you need to love cherry business and for your business. The girl and your family and your friend and your associate and nothing. You're running for the girl, I can't tell the girl this, I can't tell the girl that. Me don't know anything there with your Candy.
10 a long time me know you. Long time me know you, yes. Me and you a dead friend now because me they try to tell you the truth. 10. A long time me know you. But true me I tell you the truth, me a dead friend. Them the time there, but me ain't no friend now because me I tell you the truth. You see you don't love yourself. You don't love your youth them and you don't love your family them. Me, we take you off your friends still. They put you up on your right track. And you come cuss me up and name me up. You ready to swallow me?
Yeah, give me work. Yeah, give me money.
If me give you work?
Yeah, give me work. Yeah, give me money.
Watch out. Young, nice, green, young girl like you.
Yeah.
We can go look at job. Look how much hotel there in the grill. Look how much Chinese have places, supermarket in a Jamaica. You can go in there go look at job. If I have a package shelf, you're ready to scam.
You can't pay me rent?
I want it.
They must give me $7,000 a week. You can't pay me rent? Can it pay my rent? No, it cannot. So just allow me business alone. Me now work physically and not work done my body. In a nobody.
You don't have no business because everybody knows a scam. You and your man they scam. You understand me?
So
and scamming is thieving. You're not supposed to thief anything and enjoy. Eating it or drinking it or driving it. You hear?
That's one hurt though.
God not like ugly. Me and your friend, that's why they tell you it hurt me, yes. It burn you. You need to stop it and go look at job. You're a young girl. Why you have to do that?
That's one hurt.
Why you have to do that?
Remember me tell you, know. Just remember me tell you. See people business and love you alone. Bungalow no fear, but lose
you see the other day?
Left fee.
You see the other day? I see him way.
Left fee.
Oh no, take people girl pick me and make she mad out. No, the little girl turn idiot. Oh no, want go sacrifice more somebody. Me say I left for no to time and I left for no to God. You see you better go down on your knee and go pray for your wickedness that you do to your people. Then we work so hard in a coal for their money and then you turn around and inherit it. But look, walk.
Bungalow.
You know what? If I did ever know, 10. You say me and you are dead friend and we not friend now. But you say if me did know, say I did you out here, they can't call me for them foolishness. I wouldn't come now. Me I go and go wash up my dirty plate them. You alright?
No fear.
Me no want hear nothing from you.
Peep on the back and stop peep on the front and looking at people's business. Mind your own business. Follow people.
If you never know.
Follow people too much. Everybody in the neighborhood can know say you love follow people. Where you follow people them for?
You say me and you did friend.
Follow me up.
If me and did such a friend for you, that know say me and neighborhood watch.
You can't come out. I same thing. Nobody don't like you. You can't hardly come out. You have to take vehicles to come here and pick you up and carry back your yard to people don't like you.
Yes.
What's up about you?
They not go like me come here work. Me honest money for take vehicle to go where me I go. You are for the
What's up about you?
10. You say if you have nothing
remember me tell you man. Just remember.
Don't call me. You disturb me. Run there wash up my dirty plate. Then you come here me yard and come call me and tell me foolishness. You say I don't know. Actually police they don't know if you do it or not. Thief. I told me to talk to you about me. Me ain't no friend for you. You're damn right. Me ain't no blasted friend. Damn and blast after all. Don't come back at me gate next time I carry the dog around and stuff and name off your foot.
And if the rest of them know what I do. And if you know what I'm around with. Come like, you know, some way blast up over there, you know. Come in a people, you know. And no girl now go stop my food, you know. Not even me when a man can't stop it.
Why, babe? I think you go enjoy the last day, you know? Because they like, you see, especially the curry they put on this lobster, babe. I'm here. Babe, hey, babe, I'm here.
Oh. How long have you been here?
Why are you looking like that?
I think I'm having a headache or something.
Headache? It doesn't look like a headache to me.
I'm not feeling well.
You look confused.
Yeah, I think it's my migraine or something. My head, the back of my head is hurting me very badly. And I'm feeling like my heart is hurting.
Your heart? Why your heart to that hurt?
I don't know. My armpit hurts so bad I can't even lift it above my head. I feel as if I'm gonna get a heart attack.
Backside. Oh my baby. Alright, when I better go up on the road, I just warm some water.
No man, no, you can go on.
No babe, I can't go by.
No, because you might need to buy me some medication, you know, for my head.
You sure? You want
if there's anything I'll call you.
Andrews, you want?
No man, Andrews is for upset stomach. You can buy me an Advil.
Advil.
The liquid gel.
Alright babe.
Yeah man.
No, just be careful. My soup come, alright babe? Me a kiss. Alright, my soup come back babe, alright?
Yeah man.
You sure you don't want to come?
No man, go on. I'll be fine. I'm sure I just need to sleep it off a little and
Alright babe.
just go on.
Alright babe, my soup come here. My soup come.
Alright, skinny baby. Alright, just. Sammy? You don't know what happened a while ago? We were getting ready to go out, right? Well, Skinny was in the bathroom and I was going to approach him to fix my blouse. When I reached the doorway, if you ever know what I heard him on the phone with somebody. I don't know who exactly it was, but it sounded as if he's in a relationship with a person or something of the sort. He was planning to take everything from me, all of my money, even my father's property, etc. So you know that all this time he was talking to me, it was a scam, it was a setup. Yes, seriously. Skinny don't know who him I play with, you know. Skinny I play with the devil's advocate, you know. Hold on. I'm not hearing you clearly. Let me put the phone on speaker. Yes.
You hear me now?
Yes, I'm hearing you clearly now.
You mess with the wrong family, girl. The wrong person mess with, never perfect plan. You hear that?
Exactly.
Alright, remember that's my realtor, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. I can carry some documents to you, or you can come by. That can make him just sign to it and just lose his own. By the way, the house is his, right?
Yeah, man, it's his house.
Perfect. So just come by, or I can come by, and I'll just send some documents, I will just scam, right?
Yeah. So we're going to sell the house underneath him, right?
So him start it and we'll finish it together, right?
Exactly,
So
because him don't know who him a play with.
him Rudy.
You see when I
fall in love.
You see when I done with him? Alright, pan him face me and drop him. But you know what? I don't want nobody to hear a conversation. Not everything needs to be said over phone. So I'm gonna come by later. I can't come by no because he went out with the car. Me never better go out with him.
No problem.
So later, you hear, honey?
Yeah, man, you can trust me, cuz.
Of course, me know me can trust you, Sam. Remember, say me and you come from now what days, you know, from we na hand, you know, Sam. Anyway, like I said, later me talk to you.
Yeah, man, respectful.
Alright.
Give me a kiss. No, my come, so cut it up. Baby, hey, babe.
Huh?
Babe.
Skinny, you come already? I come in, let me grab my bag.
Babe, this
What
is
happened?
my cousin. Babe, my cousin. She's not well.
What happened to her? Is she a handicap?
No, babe, she's on drugs and Chicotita. Her name is Chicotita, babe, and for Chocho. And babe, listen, I need to do a surgery. I talked to a doctor.
Why you bring her into this house?
Babe, because see, I talked to her doctor, babe, and the doctor said they need 100,000, babe. So I want to borrow 100,000 from you, babe.
But I need, you know what? Let me have the car key, please, because all of the money is in my father's account. It's a joint account? Yes, it's a joint account between my father and I. So I'm gonna have to go to his house right now and try and let him sign over all the necessary documents for the bank account into my name. So let me have the
so the money is in your account?
It's in his account, so I need to sign over everything for me.
Let me talk to you for a minute, cause you go buy auntie house, yeah? Go buy auntie house, cause everything I got alright. Me I take care of her. She nice, you know. Before she depend jug, she did nice. Cause no, me just give you $1,000, cause me I go talk to you. Go on auntie. Auntie take care, but auntie no money. The family kinda not stable, you know. And what happened that is the 10.5 million I had, it's an all. So I have to borrow the 100,000 from you.
Come, just get me the car key, please.
So you have to go by your father too?
Right now, yeah. It's an emergency. Come on, Skinny, man.
Emergency? Oh.
So I need to transfer everything into our account.
Oh, so you're gonna do it now?
Yes,
Let's say you don't want me to take you. Let me take you, babe.
No, I'll do all the paperwork.
You're right, because worse thing your father and I will.
And you need to stay around with your cousin. So what if she do something and hurt herself in the house? What if she jump off the balcony? Come, thank you. I'll see you, Skinny. I'll see you soon, Skinny.
True.
Skinny, hurry up, no man. Just sit here, sign right here, so.
So be all of a sudden you just fool like
Come,
that.
no man, stop asking question, no man, and just sign this something so everything can sign over in my name, so me and you can do a thing.
What this I say?
Skinny, nobody read, just sign your name right there, so.
Alright. Me not see bank.
Skinny, sign this something. Let me get bring it back to daddy, so you can't carry a cokehead cousin go up doctor. Thanks, we are slow to some man.
Me no want nothing do her no be me love her, my cousin.
Yeah.
I'm cherish her, you know. Me should have make you meet her a long time,
so
you know.
come, no man, come. You want just drop me around the daddy then and me, you drop me back and me walk or take taxi, come back round and you go do the thing.
5, 10, 15, 25, 10, 15, 25, 10, 15, 25, 10, 15,
I love money, Carl, you know.
10, 15, 25, 10, 15, 25.
Shut up about the foolishness.
True.
So, Uncle Twin, Uncle 20,000?
No, bills. But me I go buy a TV so for true.
So if I
Say the one then I work.
So if a TV, nothing wrong with that, they should have said that.
For true. She soft, you know. But it take too long though, B, you know.
For this a little bit of money.
Yeah. B, she can't write still, you know. You want to see how she hook up like a hook worm, so we choose see her, so we chow. I'll be like, I
don't want to hear nothing. Move, man. Come in all kind of sitting there come and tell me.
Yeah, boss.
And that's you could collect more money. Because you think about come in the corner.
50, she did have. We shall suck off the next bills off her. How do I get rid of her? That one I know now.
The girl is strong. Her money don't really shake her because I do background check. And her people are wealthy. So we can just get rid of her one too.
Probably. But no, I ain't get chat that kind dead probably like the last one, so for true. You know what could I do? Make we sex work. Yes, it's sweet, that's true. It's sweet, that one. We are going to chop all day, man. We should go and get you in her bed.
I've been telling her she's strong, so nothing wrong with me. Miss you, so I just glad you come.
So I just pack her suitcase and put in her corner.
Before you pack her suitcase, come to the first round. We are waiting for it.
Yes, yeah. Man, I tell her, say, it's like, come like it all get tighter. I said, that's a squeeze. You see all the passage was squeezing. Yeah.
After me miss you, so. Miss all the bed.
No joke, man, because right now, we're glad so we get to look at money. It's like, wait, we have to say that.
Skinny!
Hey.
What you doing?
What do you mean?
Skinny, I thought it was me alone that you have. What is this?
What is what? What is what?
I thought it was me alone that you have.
What?
You're talking madness now.
Skinny, how could you?
How could you come in here like that?
Shut up, anybody talking to you?
Clearly, take your things and go.
You know how long Skinny and I have been together? If anybody should leave, it would be you.
What you say?
I don't understand who you're laughing at, the young lady.
Yeah, but my girlfriend.
You never shame no little courtesy. Go see your suitcase there. Tell her.
She know her suitcase and she know the direction.
Show the door.
No, Skinny, you have to come with me. Tell her to get up.
Don't touch where I touch my foot for.
Hey, goody two shoe. Just take a suitcase and go before me have to show you what real rebel do. Take a suitcase and go. I don't come touch up on my man. Your time up. Good up. So just go. Go on now.
Skinny, after all of the skinning that I do for you?
Listen. All this skin, you know how long with it? Tell her how long with it be.
High school. Girl, one.
Be true. From high school.
From high what?
Be true.
Why be say you're bright and pay foolish chat? Go and take out the suitcase and go.
Cherry, just humble yourself, man, and just take your suit. And then choppings go, man. Yeah, most of.
Bye-bye.
You know what, Skinny? I leave you to God. And I leave that to time. Because any man who does that to a woman, he's going to do it to you
Leave
too.
to God and 10.
And you know what? Daddy was so right. Daddy was right. Daddy see straight through you. And I didn't listen to Daddy. I was so blinded. And I thought that everything was okay and I would, give you a chance and whatever. But you skinny, you're going dead and drop past hell.
Me?
You see when I done with you and that thing over there?
10.
That thing.
First, me see somebody pretty fool, so come out.
Me will call her, yeah? Cherry, I'll call you when you reach home. Let me know when I reach home safe, okay?
I don't want to hear nothing from you, work.
I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, it's easy to be with you.
I want me now. I really running back here, you know. Are you me I talk to you know?
Daddy, you wouldn't understand.
What is there to understand? Listen, man. Me see right through that boy. And from the moment me see him, me tell you, say him just too boomy. He remind me of them scammer youth who live on the road. And look, he going to run you out now? Eh?
He didn't run me out, I came out by myself.
So what happened make you came out by yourself?
I went in and I caught him with somebody else.
Same difference. If you catch him with somebody, or he run you out, it don't make no difference. Him is just not a good man. I'm a warn you from before.
Daddy, you don't need to be rubbing it in my face, you know I'm not stupid.
I'm not say you're stupid, I'm not rub nothing in your face. I'm just saying that, listen. So not difficult night if me say to you, say boy, me just see a husband type material in him. Nothing wrong with that if you just did listen to me, you know. Nothing wrong with that. Are the best me want for you, you know. Are the best me want for you.
Daddy, I already made the mistake and I learned my lesson. And see, I came back home. I never go anywhere else. I never run into another man's arms. I came back home. So it's either you accept me and stop arguing with me, or you just tell me to go back where I'm coming from. It's simple as that.
So you try to say, I'm not talk to you, you just come back, I'm not say nothing to you.
No, Daddy, I'm not saying that, but Mommy wouldn't do it like that, you know.
Me and your mother are two different smarty. Your mother keep up with all sorts of slackness. But anytime me talk, it sound like me a bad person, right?
I'm not saying that.
But what are you saying?
Weren't you young and stupid?
You see, if me have a parent, our parents, if we guide me when it comes to certain things, me wouldn't make so much mistake. But that's why me been through certain things, that's why me I tell you. Me not rub nothing in your face, and me not quarrel, me just talk to you. You're adult and we're having two adult conversations. We're having an adult conversation. Right? Just have to learn from your mistake. Now worry yourself, my daughter. We all really make mistakes. Now worry yourself, man, alright? You get over it.
Yeah, wait, minute.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah.
And who are you?
My name is Public. You know what I mean? They call me Public, but by my...
Babe! Come on, my girl. You know this brother, man?
No.
You sure?
What you ask me, say?
You sure you're not that?
You're around with me.
Where's the brother man come and buy the no.
Alright, you see, my name is Public Report, right? And normally, no police, no problems I'm trying to create. I'm the new owner of this establishment, and really and truly...
Where's again? Repeat where's again.
I am the owner of this establishment. This is the receipt.
So you're coming and we also come prank. Where can man?
No, man.
Bad man, you have to pay 200,000 for that prank.
No prank, sir. No prank.
Man, not coming on us.
No, man. All right,
where you are? Police are working out.
No, man, not like that. I just want to make you know. Because I could have send the bailiff. I could have actually, like just writing a letter.
What that?
This is just the receipt. Let's show you what I'm going.
Jimmy, can you see the hot pan in the
What is that say, man?
I feel on paper.
So what man did? Go for feel one then. You know what? I practice someone and pranking. Yo, respect, Zane.
Alright, sir.
Next time I choose the right horse and not the wrong horse, so fit you. Make him man go on with man. You know it?
The man here, look at the paper and the stamp also.
Yeah, come like you want to get.
Where buy this?
Everyone gets yeah. Big, come on.
Where buy this property, sir?
Balfour and Sons, they are the ones that deal with the whole business documents, ma'am. So.
And you go through all the legal procedures?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely. That's how it is done. That is professional. So this place is actually mine. I'm not trying to kick you out, but I'm trying to tell you that it's now my place.
With the man.
No, man, it's business, sir.
You like it, right? Yeah, I like it. So when I slap in that man face of the church. So when I rap him, come over and I say,
all right, you know what? I see where this is going, but I'm not a person of problem, right? I bought this house legally, so what you're going to have to do, I'm going to leave my business card for my lawyer and the person that actually gave me this establishment, and you can contact them, sir. All right?
Yo,
have a wonderful day. All right? Yes, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
Where YouTube channel them?
YouTube?
Yeah.
I have no idea of any YouTube. I'm a multi-millionaire. Have a wonderful day, sir.
Same to you.
Be a joke thing. It's a prank, you want to try prank, yeah.